These abandoned towns documentary style AI videos are going viral right now. And the crazy part is this type of content is 100% monetizable and YouTube doesn't have any issue with it. This niche is still very unsaturated, has low competition, and the videos are extremely easy to create. This channel creates documentary videos about towns that were abandoned years ago and everything is made using AI. The crazy part, this channel got monetized on its very first video and is still getting consistent views.
Japan is known for being one of the culture built on precision and respect. But beneath that polished surface, hidden behind rusted fences, there are places Japan does not want you to find. Places that have been locked away, forgotten, and in some cases...
Now let me show you how to create videos like this. First, we need to generate video ideas. To do that, copy the topics from the link below and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 5 video ideas. You can choose any one of them. Now, after selecting a topic, go back to the prompts and copy the script prompt. Then paste it into Claude. In the section where it asks for your video topic, enter the topic you selected earlier. Once Claude generates your script, go to Studio AI or 11 Labs to create a voiceover. Studio AI is free. Make sure to use calm American male voice. Now, after generating the voiceover, go back to the prompt and copy the images and video prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you will see a section where it asks for your script. Copy the script generated by Claude and paste it there. Now click Generate. ChatGPT will create 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Go to Google Flow or Enterprise Gemini, where you can access Nano Banana Pro for free, and paste the first image prompt. Now generate the first image. Then generate the remaining 4 images one by one. After creating all the images, go to Flow AI and switch to video mode. Select Google View 3 with a 16:9 ratio. Now choose all the images that you created little earlier with Nano Banana. Now choose the first image and paste the first video prompt provided by the ChatGPT and click Generate. Google V3 will start creating your video. Repeat the same process for the remaining images using the other video prompts. Once you have generated videos for these 5 prompts, go back to ChatGPT and click Next. It will generate the next 5 prompts for you. Repeat this process until your full video is complete. Finally, import all your clips into CapCut, arrange them properly, and your video is ready.